What's going on? Mike here, got another video. YouTube, what's going on? Mike here, back with another video. Hey guys, how's it been? It's been a little minute, man. It's been a little minute. Shout out to those who subscribe to my other channel. I'm more active on there, so that's why I don't make that much videos on here. But oh man, 9 calls today. 9 calls. I already did 3, got 6 more. It's 10 o'clock or 10:11, and I'm headed to the next one now. But anyway, I didn't want to make this video long, like I always say. I don't know, it's a little bit different on this video. A lot of bit different, I guess. If you guys watch anything about relationships or know about the manosphere or anything like that, you guys know that Kevin Samuels passed. I want to say rest in peace to him. Condolences to his family. Me and my wife actually watched him quite a bit, a lot. And out of all the people that I kind of watch, because I watch a lot of male self-improvement videos and stuff like that, she liked him pretty much. So we used to watch together while I was either doing paperwork or just sitting at my desk, and it was kind of like what we called our own little therapy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of things I agreed with him with. There's a few things I didn't agree with, but very few, you know. But other than that, I don't want to get into the details of that, but majority of what he talked about I agreed with. And you know, shout out to him. But it's crazy how, you know, our own people will, you know, a lot of people didn't like him. A lot of women specifically didn't like him, which is, I get it, you know. When people don't want to hear the truth, they get mad, and that just is what it is. And a lot of what he was saying was the truth. And out of all the shows I've watched, nobody came on there and really can debate what he was talking about. So, you know, shout out to that man. His videos are still gonna be there. And you know, that's one thing about YouTube. You put your stuff on here, it's always gonna be here, man. It's always gonna be here. And that's one of the main reasons why I started my channel, talking about what I'm talking about, appliance repair, and trying to, you know, show guys that you can do this too, is because it's just another part of self-improvement, or, you know, something you can just do with your life instead of just sitting there playing video games or whatnot, you know. This doesn't apply to everybody, so if it doesn't apply to you, then, you know, it is what it is. But he had a lot of good points, and I just, you know, for people just to be talking bad about him, or people that are happy that he died, it's just crazy to me. You know, it's crazy to me. It's like, man, come on, man. You could have disagreed with what he said. Like, who cares? A lot of people disagree with what I say sometimes, but it is what it is, you know. I would hope nobody would be happy if I wasn't here anymore, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of crazy to me, but it is what it is. So I'm driving to the next call. What I got, a fridge? Not, I think the door stuck closed, so it might have been a defrost issue or something like that. Who knows? I'm gonna find out. But yeah, I just I feel like if you're a young man, a lot of times you're probably gonna be watching a lot of self-improvement stuff or about dating out here. I'm like, don't follow everybody, man. You know, pick and choose who you need to pick and choose. Watch a lot of videos, whatever the case may be. But what's going on here? Oh, he's stuck. I need to get in a different lane. But anyway, yeah, sorry to get off track. I haven't done a video in so long on this channel. The update from my van getting into an accident. They got 4 parts left they need out of 17 to come in. So van still hasn't been fixed yet, only because they're waiting on parts, which is crazy. So, and I have a mount here like I usually do, but I don't know, it's just, it hasn't been, when the sound doesn't come out that good. So sorry if you get the camera and I'm holding it. But anyway, that was just on my mind this morning. That was what my video was, just to shout out to him and his family. And for those who, you know, haven't checked out his content, check it out, you know, check it out, and then be the judge of yourself. Just don't, you know, just go off of what everybody else is saying and clips and stuff like that. Because that's what, you know, when I talked to one of my cousins, she heard some stuff, and she had her own opinion, but after she watched him, she called me back and was like, wow, he says a lot of good things, and the women that come on there, they just, you know, it is what it is. Like I said, my family and my wife, we kind of more lean towards a traditional marriage. Like, I take care of the house, you know, pay the bills, and, you know, she takes care inside the house and takes care of me, you know. And another one of his videos, he talk about, you know, hiring your spouse or your wife or your girlfriend, whatever, in your own business, you know. And so it's like little things like that are empowerment, you know what I'm saying? If you're a black man, you got a business, and you're able to hire your wife, or why not, you know? I've done it, and I've had plenty of videos on it telling you guys how great it's been and how much more money I've made by bringing her on, you know. So it is what it is. But shout out to everybody. Hope your businesses are doing good. Hope everything is doing great with you guys. I mean, as I've always said, the more you're in business, the better it's gonna get, you know. My COD is only getting better and better and better and better, to the point where now it's almost to where I'm doing, I don't want to say half and half, but it's getting there. It's getting there, you know. And I'm doing a lot more COD than sometimes warranty calls, but it is what it is. But anyway, guys, you know, I'll be back with the next one. Peace.